Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on completing the pattern. Now this video presents a number of exercises where we can do some practice to increase our knowledge of patterns. And I've presented the exercises for you on a particular slide, and then the next slide has the answers. And we just keep following that procedure till the end. And you're in complete control. You can pause the video for as long as you want. And as I've advised before, just do the answers on a sheet of paper. So here we go. For each of the following patterns, find the next picture or number. So just write the answers here on the lines, or that's where the answers will appear in the next slide. So all these patterns here, just work out which is the next one and put the answer there. And here, for each of the following number patterns, find the next number and state the rule. So as well as writing the answer here regarding the next number, briefly explain the rule that you've used. So I'll leave this on for another 10 seconds and then I'll move to the answer sheet. Now here is the answer sheet for that first slide. Remember, you can pause any slide for as long as you want to give you time to do the questions, and you can also pause the answer slides for as long as you want to give you time to check your answers. So this is the answer sheet for the first slide. Now, what we'll do, we'll go to the next slide, which is another set of questions. For each of the following number patterns, find the next number and state the rule. So we have 6 examples on this slide. So I'll leave that for another 10 to 15 seconds before we move to the answer slide. Now here are the answers for that slide, and notice there I've also explained the rule on how to find the particular number. So these are the answers for the second slide of questions. Don't forget, pause whenever you want for as long as you want. Now here is the third slide of questions coming up. Here it is here. For each of the following, find the next term and state the rule. Some of these are very interesting. You have to look a little bit carefully, but I think if you concentrate, you'll get each of these 5. So in 10 seconds, I'll move to the answer slide. And here are the answers for that slide that we've just seen. So go through the video as often as you want. Pause it for as long as you want to give you time to do the answers and the questions. And I hope it's given you an opportunity to improve your knowledge of patterns.